not just a bell. It is a sound from another time. Hand-carved from solid wood, tied with natural rope. This single cowbell once echoed through dusty village paths and open fields. Every mark you see, every crack and curve, carries the rhythm of rural India, when life moved slowly and craftsmanship spoke louder than words. Hung around the neck of a cow, this bell guided farmers, marked time, and became a silent companion of daily life. Today, it stands as a rare collectible, a symbol of simplicity, sustainability, and timeless heritage. At Collectible Vintage, we don't just preserve antiques, we preserve stories,